start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today guys, I've got some gel polishes that I won. I won these on an Instagram giveaway. I don't really enter giveaways anymore, but if it's something I really want, then yeah. Anyway, this is Glow Tips. I've seen a couple of the girls using these. I've always wanted to try them. I was allowed to pick my own colours, so I'm going to swatch them and show you in a minute. Look at them bottles. So they're 12ml, they're like pink, purple, ombre. They're so pretty. I love the white writing as well. Yeah, they just look really nice. So we've got all the ingredients on the back as well and a colour cap. So these are the colours that I chose. Pastels, they're beautiful. So we've got Sunshine Soul, Big Dream, that's the purple, Pink Tea Crush, and then this is Dreamy Vibes, that's a gorgeous colour, and a minty green is called Palm Trees. So I'm just going to give these a quick swatch. They're really nice gels. They're them kind of gels that I love, that are more like a paint rather than a gel. Really creamy, really opaque. I only did one coat on all of them, all they needed. Yeah, I was really happy with them. I will leave links below. I can't remember if this is a set of 5 or if I chose these as singles. I can't remember. But I will leave links below, and if I can get any discount codes, I'll leave them below as well. So I'll let you watch this for a sec. So that is them all swatched, aren't they pretty? That is just one coat, super creamy, I love them. They're just nice gels to use, aren't they? I really like them. So yeah, I decided to go with the pink, the purple, the blue and the green, gorgeous colours. So I needed a base colour, so I've pulled out one of my Umix 207, and it's like a beige with a little hint of pink in there. That's going to go on the middle 2 nails. I'm just using the Umix base coat. I'm just going to give these nails a quick base coat and cure that for 30 seconds. So this little Umix is going to go on the middle 2 nails. These are both just going to have a full cover coat of the Umix. I'll do one coat and I'll do the second coat off camera. So on this first nail, I'm going to do an ombre using the purple and the pink. So I'm just going to put a nice even layer of the purple at the top and pink on the bottom. And I'm just going to use a little detailer brush and just swipe side to side and just blend those colours. They blended quite easily actually. These kind of colours are so easy to blend and they look beautiful. I'm going to give that a second coat as well. I'll do the second coat off camera. So whilst that other ombre is curing in the lamp, we're going to do an ombre on this one, but I'm using 4 colours. So I'm going to use the pink and the purple and the blue and the green. So it's exactly the same as I did with the first nail, except we're going to have to do 3 blends on this one. 4 colours, 3 blends, and I'll give that a second coat off camera as well. Actually, it was the purple and the blue that blended together the easiest out of all these. The blue and the green didn't blend together very well. The blend on this one didn't really matter, I remember now, because we're going to cover this in glitter. So I wasn't really bothered about getting that ombre and blend perfect on this nail, because yeah, I'm going to cover it in glitter shortly. So that's all my base colours pretty much down. I'm just going to give this nail a quick matte top coat because I want to paint some little flowery things on this nail. I wasn't sure whether I was having this set matte or glossy at this point anyway, so quick matte top coat, and I've cured that for 30 seconds. So on this nail that I have painted matte, I've put all different colours on my palette, and we're just going to do all different shapes and sizes and colours, flowers. So for this first one, I'm just using a really skinny brush. I'm just doing like a little blob and then just pulling that blob into a point, just like that. And I'm going to do that just around the top corner of the nail. Really easy flowers, yeah. Just a little blob like that, and then pull it into a point into the centre. And I'm going to do a few different... Now, what I should have done, what I was planning on doing, I wanted to sprinkle acrylic into these flowers, and I totally forgot on the pink. I do it on the rest of the flowers. I'll show you at the end what I did to fix these pink flowers. But yeah, I was supposed to sprinkle clear acrylic into them, but I forgot. So these ones, again, I'm just doing a blob, and I'm going to do these smaller, but with the blob, I'm going to pull it one way like that, and same again, I'm going to pull it the other way, so the blob's kind of in the middle. So I'll show you again, a little blob, and then just pull it into a point on that side and pull it into a point on that side. Super simple, super easy. So they've been cured now. With this purple one, I'm just using a dotting tool, and I'm just doing a circle of dots. You could do this with bigger dots, smaller dots. And again, I'm just going to pull them dots into the middle, into a point, like a triangle. And you will see I'm going to sprinkle clear acrylic into this one. And I'm going to do a few other little shapes and colours. So I will let you watch this for a minute, and I'll be back. So quickly onto these pink flowers that I forgot to sprinkle acrylic into. I'm just going over them with a wet base coat. You could go over them with the pink again. I just went over them with a base coat and I'll sprinkle the acrylic into that. So that is that nail done. So this last nail, I am going to paint the tip. I'm just going to do like a French tip. So I'm just swiping up the right side, swiping up the left side, and then I'll keep checking, make sure it's even, make sure it's, yeah, just make sure it's even, faff about with it until you get it even. And then I'm going to use the brush just to colour in them little corners, and then I will use the brush out of the bottle just to paint the free edge. Again, I wasn't worried about it being patchy or anything because I'm going to cover this in glitter. So I'm leaving this gel polish wet. I'm not curing it. And this is just a clear iridescent from Charlie's Nail Art. Sprinkle that into the wet gel polish and cure it. And same on this ombre nail. This is had a wet base coat. Pour the glitter in again and cure it. You can get 10% off at Charlie's Nail Art, guys, with code Aggie10. How cute are they? I love them. So I pulled out some AB with a pink base. Gorgeous. And these are just light pink. Beautiful. And I've pulled out this as well. So I'm just going to stick some blingage on these nails and that'll be them done. There we go, guys, that is them finished. How sparkly are them gems? I love them. I am thinking maybe take the gems off that left nail. I don't think it needed it. Not sure, but I love them. I love that glitter. It's beautiful. So quickly, there's the colours again. Love them. Really nice gel polishes to use. Really nice. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave all links below. If I can get any discount codes, they will be below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.